Hello friends, Tanya here with another new release Trinity product close-up. Today we're looking at the Big Hello cut and foil set. The first plate I pull off is a foiling plate. Then there is the bubble cut die, which will work around the foil plate and around the word die. We're going to start out by showing you how to use your Glimmer Hot foil system. There are more than one system, but this is the system I have. So you turn your system on with your platform engaged so that it starts heating up. And that little red light tells you it's on. And you can see the second light, the green light, is on, and that means it's heated up and ready. I'm using the hinge method to secure my plate in place. And I put the plate down on the foil, pretty side up, on the paper, and then you put it plate side down on your platform. You set your timer and run it through your die cutting machine. This will work on most die cutting systems, Big Shots and the Platinum system. What else is out there? Probably the Cricut. Not Cricut, Cuttlebug. Now, I did do a few efforts to get my perfect foiling, and you'll find you need to do a little bit of adjusting with your shims also. So I had some that didn't foil perfectly, and part of that is the paper I used. It's best to use a heavyweight paper, but look at this. The word die actually cuts out your foiled letters. I think that's amazing. To me, that makes them beautiful. The variety of configurations you can use with the dies and the foil plate is amazing. I am showing you what they each look like on this fun rainbow printed slimline paper, and there are so many ways you can combine them. You can even take your foils and your letter cuts and layer them to get a shadow effect behind the dies. Here are a few samples made by the design team. These two were made by me. And then this one is made by Brenda. Isn't that beautiful? She used the die cut word. This one's by Mari. She also used the die cut word. And this one is by Jenny Hall. Beautiful. And by Shanna Slater. So many beautiful samples. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please take a moment and do that now. And if you're interested in any of the product that was used in this video, please check the description box below. Until next time, bye-bye.